What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. As you can probably see on the back there, we've picked up the VXR Corsa, so we need to get it off the truck. What we're going to do is just have a quick walk around. I'll show you what I've had done to it. Today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to do a price breakdown on the Corsa. I'm actually going to be using it myself for a little bit. I know I've been pretty quiet recently. We've still got that Peugeot partner. That's going to be a very quick project. There's probably going to be 1 or 2 videos on that. We've actually bought a new project. If you're not following us already on Instagram, be sure to go and check it out. The new project I've posted on there is at Car Trader Diaries. Anyway, it's enough waffling. Let's get into it. I'll show you what we've had done, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Right, so here it is. As you can see, you notice I've got the original wheels on it. One of the wheels had a crack on the alloy, so that's going to be going in to get repaired. The other side, I haven't done that alloy the same as that, so I'm going to get that done tomorrow. Now, if we come around to the front, you'll notice that we've had the lower splitter that's been resprayed. Now, for those of you eagle-eyed viewers that have watched this from the start, you'll know that we had the that horrible glue, whatever it was, residue embedded into the paint. So that's now gone. Got a nice clean bonnet. Let's get up here. Have a look at the roof as well. Come along here. As you can see, no more of that horrible racing stripey glue on there anymore. So what I need to do, first I need to get off the truck. We need to attach that bit back on. Now I'm going to change this door. I'm going to change this door because, where is it there? I don't know if you can see that there. Must be a ding there. I've just noticed a bit of paint off there. So we've got the door. We're going to stick that on. Let's get the keys. We also need to give it a good clean. I'm going to take it to get it cleaned. We've still got this to sort out. I'm not going to get that on a video, but I need to sort that out. But I'm going to be using it for a bit anyway. Back again. Look at that. Perfect. Spoiler. I think once I get the wheels on, it's going to look, and give it a wash, it's going to look amazing. So I'm very happy with how this has turned out. Right, we're about to cut the filming short there. What we're going to do is we're going to do a price breakdown now on how much the car cost, all the parts, you know, the usual stuff when we finish these projects. It's not 100% finished yet, but there's a few little bits and bobs that I need to do, but everyone's well aware of what they are, so I'm going to get them done off camera. Obviously this is going to be the last video on the Corsa VXR. Like I said at the start of the video, we've now got a new project. Go and check that out on Instagram at Car Trader Diaries. So we're going to get into it. We're going to do a price breakdown, tell you guys exactly what it set us back. Now I'm still waiting for the logbook as well. I sent the logbook off in May, so I don't know, about 3 months. So I don't know what is going on with the DVLA. I know obviously with the coronavirus and stuff. But I have emailed them. I don't know if it's got lost in the post. I also sent off the logbook for the Peugeot partner van. Still haven't received nothing off of that as well. If you guys are having a similar issue, let me know in the comments. But yeah, let's do the price breakdown, and then we can wrap the Corsa up, and then we can move on to the next project. Also, let me know in the comments if you want me to document the sort of rebuild, if you'd call it that, on the Peugeot partner. It'd be interesting to hear your guys' thoughts on that, so let me know in the comments down below. Right guys, so as you can see, we won the car for £1,400. Once you take into account all the fees and stuff, the grand total I paid was £1,811.36. Had to have it delivered because obviously the time of coronavirus, that was £118.80. Okay, so next it was the passenger's door, the 2 wings. I picked them up for a grand total of £33.90 from eBay, an absolute steal. Next on the list was the rear crash bar. We picked that up for £17.95. Now next was the VXR rear bumper. We paid, including postage, £105. That was an absolute steal at that price. I see others going for £180, £190 plus, so was well happy with that. We then went and picked up this boot lid. It was off for 1.2 Corsa, exactly the same colour. We paid £50. Next up was these 18-inch VXR alloys. We had to go and collect them. We paid a grand total of £100. We then paid £17.39 from Euro Car Parts for the brake pads. Now I've noted down £70 for miscellaneous. We had to get some plastic weld for the front splitter. We had to get the paint to respray the wheels, and we have to take into account a £400 paint bill for the respray. So that takes us up to a grand total of, wait for it, £2,665.60. Was it worth it? No, it was not worth it. I've gone over budget. You can probably pick one, a straight VXR up for that money. I mean, now going for about sort of £3 grand, but for that sort of mileage, you could probably pick one up for £2.5 grand. So it wasn't worth it. We're probably going to lose money on this one, so I'm not really doing too well at this. But there are going to be some big changes coming in the very near future. We're not going to talk about that now, but things like this, we won't be getting ourselves into these situations. So yeah, there's going to be some big changes coming. They will be revealed later down the line. But what do I put it up for? I don't know. I will let you know what it sells for when it does sell. Not in a position for that to happen yet. Like I said, I'm waiting for the logbook, and so on. I like to be very, very honest. I'm not painting a fairy tale picture here. It wasn't worth it. It was good for content, so that's one good thing. But from a business point of view, that's very bad business. So yeah. But on that note, I hope you guys have enjoyed the series on the VXR Corsa. If you have, hit the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. We're very close to hitting our 1,000 subscriber mark. It's a massive milestone for me. I will be back very soon. We're going to start on a new project. Hopefully this one works out. We'll see. Anyway, that's all for today, guys. Take it easy. I'll catch you very soon. Peace.